Hey guys and gals, it's Mr. Know-It-All here, and I've got to share something with you on this beautiful Pensacola day. Alright, what we've got is some rust on our driveway. Alright, Mr. Know-It-All here again, as I've said earlier. We are here to remove rust off of concrete. This is the foolproof method on how to do it. But you can look at the rust I've got to deal with here. And this comes from my Beaver, my motorhome, my Beaver motorhome. There was some things I did that made that happen. And then I've got this spot over here. This right here. So we're going to come over here. You want to use a cheap broom, cheap brush, plastic if you can. Hopefully not metal, wood stick to mix, but I don't mix it usually. You add 1 gallon of water. I'm like Julia Childs. I have everything pre-mixed. Now we're going to take the best mixing cup we got right here. We want to put a half a pint in, or 8 ounces right there, that line of muriatic acid. And you want to have the water in your bucket first before you put the muriatic acid in. And you can use gloves if you want. I'm using rubber boots because I definitely don't want this stuff getting on my designer socks. So we're going to go 1 mark up from the 6. 8 ounces. Set the jug down carefully. We'll pour this in. And I rinse the cup out right in there. Now if you feel anything get on your hands or whatever, just wipe it off quick or have a hose ready. So what we're going to do is put this on and let it set 5 to 20 minutes or so, and then when you rinse it off, which I'll come out and show you what happens afterwards, but when you rinse it off really well, because it won't fare well with your grass. And remember, if you mix up too much, you got to get rid of it. So try to mix a gallon at a time if you can. And this will take the rust right off. And you should wear eye protection so you don't splash any of it in your eyes. When we had the concrete business, we used to do the exposed aggregate, which means you pour the concrete, then you rinse the cream off the top and it shows the stone. We would use this a lot of times to clean up the fine Portland that was on the stone when we really wanted to make it look nice. I'm not sure if you can see this, but it's smoking. That's how powerful this stuff is. Now that spot right there, I might have to mix it a little stronger to get that off, but I'll keep this wet for about 2 or 3 minutes. So what I'm going to do is 1 swipe right here, just so you can see, and that'll be the only part I rinse off. Alright, we'll keep that wet. Let the acid do its job. Alright, you can see it's fading out, the stuff here. It's starting to work on it. But like I said, I don't want to mix it too strong. because then I got to rinse that stuff off into the grass, and I don't want to kill my grass. But this acid is the same stuff you use in your pool to lower your pH. We'll be back in a little bit. Where it didn't hit it, it's not taking it off. But that's, I'm happy with that result right there. Mr. Know-It-All out.